Hello everyone, I'm WISE-AIFS Product Manager Jamie. It's really glad that I have this opportunity to introduce WISE-AIFS for you in this video. WISE-AIFS AI Framework Services is a one-stop AI application development AI platform for entire AI project team, such as IT, data scientists, data analytics, and domain experts. WISE-AIFS can industrialize the AI application more efficiently. During this video, I would like to deliver the benefits and features of WISE-AIFS. From Gartner report, AI engineering is the top 8 strategic technology trend for 2022. However, AI applications often face issues with maintainability, scalability, and governance, and cause AI application landing becoming a tough mission. Even right now, only 53% AI project can be transformed from AI prototype into useful production tools. So how can we overcome these obstacles? Apparently, enterprises need to build out their own AI performance, which let all AI applications have the standard architecture, organized system, and scalable availability. The reason why we need an AI platform is that there are 4 main roles will have to cooperate together in AI project. A platform is significantly necessary to deploy and optimize the AI models. For example, what an AI project manager concerned about how to manage the computing resource pool to support numerous AI project team, or flexibility support different AI frameworks or each AI project. For data scientists, they will care about how to efficiently develop and operate models between teams and share AI models and data. For data analytics, what they concern is always that how to build AI model with low-code tools and verify models as easy as possible. The domain expert plays the most important role. Data collection and labeling is one of the success key factor of AI project. So providing a user-friendly labeling tool is also important. According to what I have just mentioned, here is the brief structure of AIFS. AIFS is an open architecture for AI partners plugging their AI models and focus on AIoT scenarios, such as predictive diagnostics, inspection AI in smart manufacturing, central air condition, energy saving in smart energy, medical image in smart healthcare. For those target markets, AIFS provides 4 main services to accelerate the landing speed of AI, including resource management for computing pool management, development services for data scientists plugging their AI retraining and inference model, auto ML for data analytics to build AI with no-code AI tools, and evolution for domain experts to label data and retrain the AI models. Due to the AIFS, which mainly focus on AIoT scenario, AIFS is able to provide plenty of useful edge AI and one-stop cloud-side collaborative managed services. As long as you install the App Hub agent in your edge computer and connect it to AIFS cloud platform with internet, you can remotely monitor edge AI model performance, AI Docker status check, AI model batch update, model event notification, and remote troubleshooting. All these functions will save you more time for edge AI model management, especially in discrete field. This is AIFS software architecture. You can find the detailed services of those 4 main services in AIFS. For example, the bottom of the structure is resource management, which uses Kubernetes to do the computing resource management. AIFS can easily use Kubernetes to do cluster management, like allocate different virtual clusters to different development teams, or delete and add nodes to dynamic adjust resource. For data management, AIFS support different DB services connection, like PostgreSQL for structured data, MongoDB for unstructured data, blob services for files like CSV files or images, AIFS also support many mainstream AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, etc. On the top of the resource management is development services, which is definitely for data scientist team. It provides AI lifecycle management from data preprocess to model training and model deployment. Even the short end of data scientist team, don't be panic. AIFS AutoML, which is a no-code AI tool for data analytics. AutoML can automate the process of solving problems with machine learning, such as process involves several steps of requirement-specific expertise in the field, such as data preprocessing, feature engineering, extraction, and model selection. AIFS AutoML can be used in 3 scenarios, like predictive analytics of the structured data, image classification, and object detection. The last services is AIFS Evolution, which provides domain expert an easy labeling tool with AI assistant annotation and AI project management for labeling quality assurance. All AIFS services are open to plugging the third-party AI models, and the end customer will have the unified platform to well manage all the AI projects. Now you may wonder what kind of computing environment that can run AIFS. AIFS support 4 kinds of deployment architecture. First one is deploy on bare metal with Advantech Sky Server Series. Now we officially support Sky 6420 and Sky 6221. The second one is WISE-AIFS, which is a private cloud provided from Advantech WISE-AIFS. The third one is a pure software deployment solution, meaning if customers already have their own private cloud, which is built by customer, we can deploy on VMware, OpenStack, or bare metal, which provided by customer. If you want to start with small investment or POC, we also provide public cloud environment, which is hosted on Azure in Singapore, Ali on Hangzhou, IIJ in Japan, and TWCC in Taiwan. Leverage the benefit of AIFS on-premise deployment ability. AIFS also supports Federated Learning. Federated Learning is a well-known AI solution in smart hospital. AIFS Federated Learning can train AI model without sharing data and build a more generalizable AI model regardless of geographical location, patient population, or data size. I am honored to share with you that AIFS have won the 3rd level certification of Artificial Intelligence Development Platform, production capability from China CAICT this year. About WISE-AIFS selling model. AIFS has 2 main selling models. One is direct sell AIFS platform to end customer. This kind of the end customer have their own AI modeling team and have clear goal of AI projects. And the customer is looking for a platform that is easy to manage modeling and deployment operations. The other selling model is AI solution plus AI platform. This kind of the end customer is looking for not only AI platform but also AI end solution. They also don't have AI modeling team, so we need to cooperate with AI domain focused ASI partner to fulfill the requirements. AIFS is suitable both for image data and numerical data. I would like to share one use case to let you know how AIFS can speed up the AI solution industrialization. This is an SMT equipment manufacturers who wants to provide their AI AOI solution with automated training and large-scale deployment. So the SMT equipment vendor integrate their PCB SMT AI AOI model into the WISE-AIFS system to provide equipment vendors and end customer with continuous optimization of PCB SMT AI AOI solution. And here is the deployment architecture with SMT AI AOI model and AIFS platform. Each site has AIFS retraining server and multiple edge inference at edge production line. And the SMT AI model can be easily deployed to edge and use AIFS training server to do model retraining, like reinforcement learning or model auto deployment at edge and remote monitoring. This architecture is also suitable for different kinds of industrial AI models, such as predictive maintenance, production quality prediction, and defect detection, etc. If you are interested in our AI platform, please download trial account application document to apply trial account, and you can start to use it directly. If you're already a VIP member, you also can subscribe AIFS services on Marketplace. If you want to know more detailed technical information, user guide, and demo videos, please visit our technical document portal. That's all for WISE-AIFS sharing. Thank you.